Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about the project that I have in my road to $100 series, the secret project. I've been given the green light by the team basically now that they're out of the beta testing and the doors are pretty much open for new investors to get involved. Again, this is not financial advice, make sure you do your own research into all these projects and platforms, but yeah, that's pretty much it, so make sure you stick around. So here we are, this is the project. It's called iBots, iBots.io's website. iBots is the first Forex and crypto AI trading bot service project. It was created with the goal of providing users with passive income. Straight away here you can see the profit calendar. Now the first thing probably to note here is they're not crazy percentages. You're not getting your 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever percent, 6% per day. This is all built off real profit. Pretty much they have their own trading bots, and obviously it's trading more or less every day. In their Discord server, which I'll show later into the video, I'll show you screenshots and the information that they have. It's an abundance of information pretty much of what they're currently trading, what the results of trading. Anything is there if you're looking for proof. This is one of the ones to show proof of it. It's once you sign up to it, also how to get started, create an account with them. You make a deposit. So I made a deposit, USDT. Make it a deposit, generate your address, send any amount that you want. So the minimum deposit obviously is $250 at the moment, and this is why I initially deposited into it. And then obviously it works 24/7 for you, earning passive income. Again, just to note that you're not getting your 2-3% or whatever on it, or deposits. It changes every day, and I think the fact that it changes every day shows that there's potentially a lot more sustainability in this than your again 4, 5, 6 whatever percent per day project. So a little bit about the team here. So it's the first Forex and crypto AI trading bot service project. It was created with the goal of providing its users with passive income. Obviously most of the projects rely on new investors to come in, so again a lot of projects are like that. Again, Ponzonomics in it, new money pays old money. We wanted to create a project that won't rely on newcomers, false promises. Two teams. iBots is fully supported by a total of 3 different trading bots expert teams, 2 teams for crypto trading bots and 1 team for Forex. So again, Forex and crypto, which is good. Our experts have tested our bots for 18 months. Again, back testing can only show so much as well, but obviously testing has happened. They lost money at the beginning because they had to find the best bot settings. Now that point is interesting. They're admitting to that they lost money to begin until they got everything up and running properly. At least they lost with their money, and not waiting for you to put your money in to test the bots and then realize, oh look, we lost, sorry. I think that's good. Obviously we have the frequently asked question section. What is iBots? So probably the projected ROI is the most interest for people. It is anticipated that iBots will produce a stable monthly ROI that will range between 1 to 15%. Now obviously it's a massive range there, and again it just goes to show that the percentages that they're getting, it does change depending on the market conditions and volatility. You can withdraw rewards, compound whenever you want. I know it might take up to 24 hours for withdraw compound to show up, because we need to detach your investment from our bots. So obviously if you're compound, that they'll have to take your money out of the bots, compound it, and then put it back into the bots, which takes time. How often can I withdraw my initial investment or profits? Whenever you want. Again, pretty much the 24 hours for them to do it. So there's no lock-in period. Minimum deposit is $250. You're paying fees, so the fees are paid for maintaining the bot. So your withdrawal fees here, withdrawal of $499 or less, withdrawal fee is $5. Withdrawal of $500 or more, withdrawal fee is 1%. Sometimes it takes more than 1 or 2 transactions of currency to release your funds, so we charge 5 or $1 in advance, or 1%, sorry. What else do we really need to know here before we look at the dashboard? What kind of bots, how dollar cost average, what is a Forex trading bot? You know, have a look through this stuff yourself. Will the team KYC docs? The team plans to KYC or docs at some point, but still looking at the best way to do this. We've already noticed that KYC doxing didn't really stop some of the projects being exchanged from rugging. FTX as an example. Yeah, I agree with this. KYC doxing makes no difference, I think, in this space anymore. You know, I did notice that this is becoming a marketing tactic as well by a lot of projects. KYC, they're holding on to and eventually say, oh, we're going to KYC. So look, they're not really too pushed on it. iBots are not too pushed on it at the moment. So, but from talking in the community and stuff like that, I think if they're probably just not doing it for the sake of not doing it at the moment, I think they probably will do it if enough people start to get involved. If we're looking down here, like there's an abundance of questions and frequently asked questions here. Make sure you check them out to, you know, to learn more about it. So obviously their white paper again, you know, making sure you read over this, learn a bit more about it. It goes into all the information of everything about the project. You know, anything you'd need basically about the project is all here in the white paper as well as on the website. You have your service fees, maintenance fees, withdrawal fees. Yeah, so we charge a maintenance fee of 1% of the account's balance every 30 days. The first 30 days are free to allow the accumulation of profits. In case additional deposits are made, their fee will be charged on the same day as the initial deposit. So again, this is the thing I'll be keeping a close eye on, because obviously we're in testing. So 1% is going to be, I think, $250 of $250. I'm hoping that by the time my one sets up, so I have the first month is free, and then obviously the next 30 days is when the maintenance fee will come out. So I'm hoping that my balance is good enough to obviously pay the maintenance fee, and then obviously enough there to start earning profit from. So yeah, I'll have to maybe reach out to the team about this, keeping an eye on this thing. As I said, there's no point in earning 1% a month if the 1% is gone on fees. So this is something to try to keep a close eye on. Yeah, the rest of the stuff is, you know, self-explanatory. It goes into details about the bots and stuff like that. You know, pretty much like the frequently asked questions section. So we're going to jump from here now straight over to my current dashboard. Yeah, so here we are in the current dashboard. You can see here, you know, this is the current calendar month for January. My maintenance fee count, and I have another 12 days left on it. You can see my bots value is $250, and so far my earnings have been 54 cents. Obviously the total balance is what it is. This is because I think it's the December time I got into it. It might have been around the 16th, 14th, 16th of December. So obviously there wasn't much trading happening over the holiday periods. So we look at November, is not major. So we're into January here now. So as you can see here, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday they've been trades. Obviously showing the percentage return, which you can see this, which in the Discord, which I'll look at in a few minutes. It gives you an ROI graph. Again, I'm not 100% sure if this is my ROI graph or is it in general since they've started. So this is probably something just to keep an eye on as well. Obviously we can deposit, withdraw and compound. Obviously get in touch with the team. This is the maintenance fee thing. So in 12 days I have my free one will be gone, and then in another 30 days then I'll probably have to pay my maintenance fees, and the maintenance fees then are going to be 1% of my balance. So I'm hoping obviously now that we're away from the beta testing, that we get a bit more trades here and showing a bit more profit and helping to get up to that, at least that $2.50 mark. Ideally at the end of next month I'd like this to be up to, you know, maybe $5 or $10. At least then my maintenance fees are not eating into my earnings. and eventually becoming a point where it's not sustainable to have it there just earning, you know, very little. So we'll keep an eye on that. So if we jump from, well, sorry for staying on this, you know, it's pretty much simple enough to deposit into the platform, sending it on USDT on the Binance network. Make sure you remember that. This is your address you're sending it to. You know, minimum deposit, make sure it's $250. Take time for it to get to it. 1% maintenance fee every 30 days from the first deposit. What else? Shows the profits that have been sent to me. You know, which is obviously I sent a tenner first by mistake. Then we have my deposit into it, and obviously the profits have been coming in then every day or every couple of days into it. You know, there's service fees like what we mentioned before, and again obviously your dashboard. So look, we're going to quickly jump over to the Discord group now just to show the proof of trades and stuff like that. So if we go over here to the Discord group, I'll leave a link in the description. If you join the group from using the Discord link, just let me know, and you know, even if you tag me in the general chat, so it's at CryptoHuntzman, see, just tag me in the general chat and I'll, you know, give you a wave or whatever, but just let me know that you're joined. If we look up here, profit summary, so you can see January the 6th, which was yesterday, daily profits was $12.82. Forex bots value, Forex bots ROI, and then total investment ROI. You know, again, I'm not saying they're crazy high returns, but the returns, that's the positive thing here. And obviously as more and more things change and as it starts to grow, these percentages are similar amounts, but they're going to get higher values. It shows up here the current positions. So if we look at total of 7 shorts and 7 longs are currently running, you can see from the image that it is on Binance. So they have a position open at the moment for BTC. So entry price, mark price, obviously it's in loss at the moment there, you know, but look, it's trading. So you can see the rest of the charts are open there, showing proof of what's happening. It gives it here then what the bot is. So we have a BTC long bot, 5 hours. The bot value is only $1,000. Total bot value is 32,000. Entry price, limit order, and then take profit. So they will close obviously in profit. So close P&L. So here we go again. iBot number 9. So BTC long, 40% ROI on it. These are all only a few days ago as well. So again, shows the image here, the profit of it. Obviously small funds being used again, but still, you know, it's showing proof. Profit summary. So again, these are from more bots basically trading. The gains, 26 deals in total. Gains today was $16, and I think I've seen another section there somewhere. They had another, I'll have to check it, my bot results. So again, there's January the 6th profit again. Official links obviously we have here. This is probably the one I wanted to see. So these are the Forex, my Forex or my FX book. This is the bots as well trading. So you can see there that, you know, what it's gained, what it's lost, profit difference, wins, things like that. Trading obviously Euro USD. You know, this is a good way to keep track of it, what they've done or how the account has grown. So, you know, there's plenty of information out there to kind of back up what they're doing. It's not like most other projects that have the information, don't ever seem to be sharing it, but you know, you get lost in the info they're sharing. Their profit summary, close P&L, running position, profit summary, iBots portfolio. Again, like obviously with Forex and crypto, they broke it all down. So here's the links I was looking for. You know, yeah, look, that's pretty much it for the video. Again, If you're interested in learning more about it, or you're looking to get involved in it, I leave my link in the description. If you use it, make sure you let me know. Tag me in the Discord. Shout out. I'll give you a way back or something throughout the day. So yeah, look, we're leaving it there for today's video. As I said, this will be adding to my earnings portfolio now, or my road to 100 for next week, and hopefully we can start to build up the earnings nicely in this platform. So yeah, thanks for taking the time and watching this. Sorry it dragged on a bit long, but I think there's a lot of information to try and share on this. I think it's bringing something completely different to the whole environment at the moment. So yeah, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for taking the time, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye.